Hi students, today we are going to learn word problems from chapter 3 addition and subtraction. These are the problems from page number 33 in self practice 3a. Let's get started. See the question. A beekeeper maintained two beehives. There were 1256 drone bees in one hive and 2532 in the other hive. There are two beehives. Beekeeper is a person who maintains beehives for collecting honey. Here he has two beehives and in one hive there are 1256 honeybees are there. And in the another beehive it is having 2532. Now our question is how many drone bees were in the hives altogether? So if you see the word altogether, what you are supposed to do? Addition. Altogether, total, in all. This terms refers to addition. Got it? Yes, let's get started doing this problem by writing steps. See the first step what we are supposed to write. Number of bees are there in a beehive. And the second step will be number of bees are there in another beehive. Here we have two beehives, right? So the first step will be in a beehive and in the second step you will get another beehive. So here the first one is having 1256 and in the second one it is having 2532. So what we have to find out? Total number of drone bees in two beehives. To find out this total, what we supposed to do? Addition we supposed to do. Here, that is the reason I put plus symbol. So let us do addition of 1256 and 2532. So starts from 1's place. 6 plus 2 it is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer here is 3788. So it means in two beehives altogether there are 3788 bees are there. Right? Let's get into the next problem. Yes. Let's see the next question. The annual school fees for Mr. Gaur's daughter is rupees 4650. His son's annual school fees is rupees 1315 more than the daughter's fee. How much school fees does he pay altogether for the both children? So let us understand this question clear. Here Mr. Gauss is a person. He is having one daughter and one son. He is paying 4650 for his daughter. In our question, they are saying that for his son's fees, he is paying 1315 more than his daughter's fee. They did not give how much amount they are paying for his son's fees. What they are saying to us, 1315, 1315, he is paying extra. This much amount he is paying extra from this fees. Already he is paying 4650 to his daughter and he is paying 1315 extra to his son. So in total he is paying 4650 plus 1315 for his son's fees. So now we have to find out how much amount he is paying for both the daughter and son. Let's solve this problem here. So the first step will be the annual school fees for his daughter is. So what is his annual school fees? What is her annual school fees? It is 4650. Now the second step is the annual school fee for his son. Here we did not find out for his son. Why? Because in the question they gave it is 1315 more than the daughter's fees, but they did not give the direct amount. So to find out that, we have to add this 1315 to 4650. So this amount is his son's annual school fees. Then let's find out 4650 plus 1315. So what we get here? 5965. If you still have doubt, you can find out by using a rough paper so that you can get clarity. So 5965. Then now what we have to find out? Amount he paid for his daughter. It is already there in the question. That is 4650. Then amount he paid for son. Just now we find out. We find that amount. What is that amount? 5965. To find out the total amount he is paying for his daughter and son, we are going to add this two figures. So it means we are going to add 4650 and 5965. So let's come from the ones place. 0 plus 5, it is 5. 5 plus 6, it is 11. 6 plus 9 plus 1. So it is 16. 4 plus 5 plus 1, it is 10. So in total, he is paying 10,615 for his daughter and son's annual school fees in school. He is paying 10,615 rupees. So you have to enter this question and the first question in your classwork notebook, like exactly how you are looking here. In the same way, write it in your notebook, write neatly. That's all for today. Thank you, students.